Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Apple's upcoming M4 MacBook Pro. With the tech community buzzing about these new releases, there's a lot to look forward to. Let's explore what makes the M4 MacBook Pros a significant upgrade and why you should be excited about them. The new MacBook Pros feature the M4 chip, a major upgrade from the M3, setting new benchmarks for speed and efficiency. This next-generation chip is designed using cutting-edge 3-in process technology, which allows for more transistors on the chip, increasing both performance and power efficiency. For professionals, the M4 chip excels in handling intensive tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and software development. The chip integrates a faster CPU with more cores, which significantly boosts multi-threaded workloads. The GPU also sees an upgrade, making it ideal for creative professionals who require robust graphical performance for tasks like photo and video editing or game development. Casual users will also benefit from the M4 chip's performance gains. Everyday tasks such as web browsing, streaming, and multitasking feel faster and smoother. The M4's improved neural engine enhances machine learning tasks, such as photo recognition and AI-driven applications, further optimizing the user experience. Battery life is another highlight, as the M4 chip is highly energy efficient, enabling longer usage on a single charge. Its advanced thermal design ensures that the MacBook Pro stays cool even during heavy workloads. In essence, the M4 chip brings groundbreaking improvements in speed, efficiency, and power, catering to both high-performance professionals and everyday users who seek a smoother, more efficient computing experience. Starting with the base model, the M4 MacBook Pro comes equipped with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports. These features ensure you have plenty of memory for multitasking and the connectivity options you need for various peripherals. Interestingly, there are no visual changes to the design of the base model, maintaining the sleek and familiar look that users love. One of the exciting new features is the introduction of a space black color option for the entry-level MacBook Pro. This new color adds a touch of elegance and modernity, appealing to those who want their device to stand out. It's a subtle yet stylish update that complements the MacBook Pro's premium feel. Moving on to the 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pros, it's important to note that there are no major design changes for the M4 Pro and M4 Max models. Apple has decided to stick with the tried-and-true design that users have come to appreciate. This continuity ensures that while the internal components are getting a significant upgrade, the external look remains consistent and professional. When it comes to displays, there are some important updates to keep in mind. OLED displays, which many users have been eagerly anticipating, are not expected to be available until at least 2025. Additionally, there won't be any brightness upgrades for the M4 Max models. While this might be a bit disappointing for those hoping for immediate display improvements, the current screens still offer excellent quality and performance. In today's digital age, online privacy is more important than ever. That's why we recommend Mysterium VPN as a great option for protecting your online activities. Using a VPN can help keep your data secure and private, giving you peace of mind while browsing the internet. Mysterium VPN is known for its reliability and robust security features, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their online privacy. To wrap things up, the new M4 MacBook Pro are shaping up to be an exciting release with significant performance upgrades thanks to the M4 chip. While there are no major design changes, the introduction of a space black color option adds a fresh touch. Stay tuned for more updates and make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching.